Creating a lush rainforest garden. Welcome to Plant Care, the ultimate destination for all your gardening needs. In today's video, we'll show you how to transform your garden into a lush rainforest paradise, complete with 10 must-have plant species, tips for low-maintenance care, design inspirations, and secrets to attracting wildlife. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of creating a picture-perfect rainforest garden escape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more inspiring plant care tips. How to transform your garden into a lush rainforest paradise. To mimic the atmosphere of a lush rainforest in your garden, begin by selecting plants with large, glossy leaves. Varieties like elephant ears, hosta plants, and ferns will contribute to the dense, tropical appearance you're aiming for. These types of plants thrive in shaded areas and can add layers of texture to your garden, enhancing the overall depth and richness of the environment. Integrate a variety of flowering plants to attract pollinators and introduce pops of vibrant color amidst the verdant greenery. Plants such as orchids, bromeliads, and heliconias will not only add visual appeal but also mimic the vibrant hues prevalent in rainforest ecosystems. By combining different flower shapes, sizes, and colors, you can create a harmonious balance that is both visually striking and beneficial for local wildlife. Incorporate natural elements like rocks, driftwood, and cascading water features to further replicate the wild, untamed feel of a rainforest environment. Strategically placing elements like these throughout your garden can help create microclimates, providing diverse habitats for various plant species and animals. Additionally, the sound of trickling water and the presence of natural stone can instill a sense of tranquility and immersion in nature. Remember to maintain a balance between organic growth and controlled landscaping to achieve the lush, free-spirited aesthetic of a rainforest garden. Encourage vines to climb trees or structures, allow ground cover plants to spread naturally, and embrace the slight chaos that characterizes vibrant ecosystems. By letting nature take its course to a certain extent, you can cultivate a garden that feels alive, dynamic, and deeply reminiscent of the awe-inspiring beauty of a rainforest paradise. 10 must-have plant species for a thriving rainforest garden. To create a thriving rainforest garden, consider including species like philodendrons, which are known for their resilience and adaptability to various light conditions. Their lush foliage and climbing nature make them ideal for adding vertical interest and texture to your garden. Additionally, philodendrons are relatively low-maintenance plants, making them perfect for beginners or those looking for a hassle-free gardening experience. Another essential plant for a rainforest garden is the peace lily, renowned for its elegant white blooms and air-purifying properties. Peace lilies thrive in low-light and high-humidity environments, making them well-suited for the shady, moist conditions found in rainforests. These plants can help improve indoor air quality while adding a touch of sophistication to your garden with their glossy, dark green leaves and striking flowers. Including ferns in your rainforest garden is a must, as they are among the oldest plant species on Earth and are emblematic of lush, verdant environments. Ferns come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures, making them versatile additions to any garden. Their delicate fronds and unique reproductive structures add a sense of mystery and enchantment to the landscape, creating an authentic rainforest ambiance that will captivate visitors and enhance biodiversity within your garden. To attract pollinators and wildlife, incorporate flowering plants like orchids into your rainforest garden. Orchids are diverse in their colors and forms, with some species mimicking the appearance of insects to attract pollinators. By including orchids in your garden, you can create a symbiotic relationship with local wildlife while introducing beauty and fragrance to your outdoor space. These stunning blooms will contribute to the overall vibrancy and allure of your rainforest-inspired garden, making it a paradise for both plants and animals alike. Tips for creating a low-maintenance rainforest garden oasis. When designing a low-maintenance rainforest garden oasis, focus on selecting plants that are well-suited to your local climate and growing conditions. Native species are often the best choice for low-maintenance gardens as they are already adapted to the environment and require minimal care once established. By choosing plants that thrive in your area, you can reduce the need for watering, fertilizing, and pest control, allowing your garden to flourish with little intervention. Incorporating mulch into your rainforest garden can help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health, reducing the need for frequent watering and weeding. Organic mulches like shredded leaves, wood chips, or bark not only provide these practical benefits but also contribute to the naturalistic aesthetic of a rainforest garden. Mulching your garden beds regularly can save time and effort while promoting a more sustainable and ecologically balanced landscape. Opt for perennial plants in your low-maintenance rainforest garden to minimize the need for replanting and seasonal maintenance. Perennials come back year after year, reducing the time and resources required to maintain your garden while providing continuous beauty and structure. When selecting perennial species, choose a variety of plants with different bloom times, foliage textures, and growth habits to create a dynamic and visually appealing garden that evolves throughout the seasons. To further simplify garden maintenance, consider installing an automated irrigation system to ensure your plants receive consistent and efficient watering. Drip irrigation systems, soaker hoses, or programmable sprinklers can help deliver water directly to the root zones of your plants, minimizing water waste and promoting healthy growth. By automating this essential task, you can save time and energy while ensuring that your rainforest garden remains lush and vibrant with minimal effort. Design inspirations for a picture-perfect rainforest garden escape. When seeking design inspiration for a picture-perfect rainforest garden escape, look to the lush landscapes of tropical regions for guidance. Take cues from the diversity of plant species, vibrant colors, and layered textures found in natural rainforests to create a visually dynamic and captivating garden setting. Incorporating large leafy plants like palms, ferns, and philodendrons can mimic the canopy layers of a rainforest, providing shade and a sense of enclosure while adding a touch of exotic beauty to your outdoor space. To enhance the ambiance of your rainforest garden escape, consider incorporating water features such as a small pond, fountain, or cascading waterfall. The soothing sound of running water can create a tranquil atmosphere, mask unwanted noise, and attract birds and other wildlife to your garden oasis. Water features not only add a sense of serenity and movement to the landscape but also provide a focal point for relaxation and contemplation within your rainforest-inspired setting. Integrating natural stone elements into your rainforest garden design can help create a sense of balance and grounding within the lush greenery. Use stones to construct paths, walls, or seating areas that blend seamlessly with the surrounding vegetation, adding a touch of rugged elegance to the overall aesthetic. The contrast between the organic forms of plants and the solid structure of stones can enhance the visual interest of your garden while providing practical and durable hardscape elements for pathways and outdoor living spaces. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing the beauty of your rainforest garden escape, extending its visual appeal well into the evening hours. Incorporate strategic lighting fixtures, such as spotlights, uplights, or string lights, to highlight key features, accentuate plant textures, and create a magical atmosphere after dark. Well-designed lighting can transform your garden into a captivating nocturnal retreat, allowing you to enjoy its enchanting beauty day and night. The secrets to attracting wildlife to your rainforest garden. Creating a rainforest garden that attracts wildlife involves understanding the key elements that make your outdoor space irresistible to birds, butterflies, and other creatures. To encourage biodiversity in your garden, plant a variety of native species that provide food, shelter, and nesting sites for local wildlife. Choose flowering plants that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, as well as fruit-bearing shrubs and trees that offer sustenance to birds and small mammals throughout the year. Incorporating water sources such as bird baths, ponds, or small pools can help draw wildlife to your rainforest garden, providing essential hydration for birds, insects, and other animals. Water features not only serve as a valuable resource for wildlife but also add a dynamic element to your garden landscape, creating movement, reflections, and a sense of tranquility that appeals to a diverse range of species. Consider adding a shallow bird bath or a meandering stream with rocky edges to create safe havens for amphibians and small mammals. To further enhance the wildlife-friendly appeal of your rainforest garden, create habitat diversity by incorporating different layers and microenvironments within your landscape. Plant tall trees for nesting sites, understory shrubs for cover, and ground-level vegetation for foraging opportunities. Including a mix of evergreen and deciduous plants can provide year-round shelter and food sources for wildlife, while creating a dynamic and evolving ecosystem that attracts a greater variety of species to your garden sanctuary. Minimize the use of pesticides and herbicides in your rainforest garden to create a healthy and sustainable environment that supports wildlife populations. Instead, embrace natural gardening practices such as composting, mulching, and integrated pest management to maintain a balanced ecosystem in which beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife can thrive. By fostering a wildlife-friendly garden, you can enjoy the sights and sounds of nature up close while contributing to the conservation of local biodiversity in your own backyard. Creating a lush rainforest garden. Thanks for watching our guide on creating a lush rainforest garden. Explore more amazing plant care tips and gardening inspiration on our channel, Plant Care. Subscribe now to never miss out on our latest videos, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.